Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any home with outdoor steps, the best wall-mounted stair handrail you can find on the market. This right here is the handrails for outdoor steps by Mrupoo. What sets this apart? Whether it's for the elderly, kids, or anyone needing a bit more stability, this handrail is designed to provide that extra support, indoors or outdoors. First off, durability. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this handrail can handle up to 550 pounds of weight. That's reliability you can count on, with a lifespan of up to 20 years. Installing it is a breeze too. Thanks to its U-shaped design and included manual, you can have this up on your wall in no time. It's all about safety, ensuring you and your loved ones have that secure grip whenever you need it. Users rave about its comfort, thanks to a frosted surface that increases friction. This means better grip and peace of mind, especially in wet conditions. So, why choose the Mrupoo handrails for outdoor steps? Whether it's for your front porch, garden steps, or any indoor staircase, this handrail is your reliable companion. That wraps up our review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and make informed choices with Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.